folder inside the blog environment. So here we are into this, and we got our files for Flask. So let's Flask run to run our server. And by the way, we have seen in another video how to put our code, all our environments, to say so, into glitch.com to publish our blog online. Go to check that video if you haven't seen it yet. Let's go. Here it is, our blog, and that's what we got. And let's see. Let's see, in the roots we got just the home page and nothing else. Let's define for a moment an about page, and the address will be app.roads / about, where we wanna put some information about the author of the blog, i.e. ourselves. We will return renders template, and we want to use an about page, about.html. Yeah, and we want to just put here some something like the title, and something like the body. About me, and Giovanni Python. So we want to use a dictionary here with just two variables, and we will pass them here. Title equal title, and body equal body. Okay, now information about the author page. Information about the author. Okay, this is the main page. Now that we've done this, go into templates, and let's copy and let's copy this way, maybe it's better. Let's make another not another folder, but another file that we will call about.html. Let's pass the same as in the other in the home page, but here we will put our title, and we don't need a for next, and we just need the body here and the title here, and I think we're good for now. And so just delete this N4, we don't need it anymore. Let's save it. Let's go back. Okay, this is the home page, and if you go /about, you will find the page with about me. Not when we created another page, we want to do another thing. We want to go into the template HTML here, and we want to make something like inserting Bootstrap in here, because Bootstrap it's a framework made by Google or made by Twitter maybe, to create pages that are responsive, i.e. they adapt to the screen of a computer or a laptop or a tablet or a smartphone. So let's put Bootstrap here, and let's see what we got to write here. To get Bootstrap, go to getbootstrap.com, go to get started, and copy this thing here, the link URL, the link to the CSS, right? And then uh, we are going to copy also these 3 lines here, and we don't need popper. We could delete it, and these are the JS things. This is popper, we can delete it. Now let's see what happened to our blog. There it is, it changed. Let's go to, and also the home page changed. Remember that we have other CSS file like in here. Let me see if I can put this at the end. If something changes, nothing has changed. Okay, static and style CSS. We get this margin that are not let me save this first. Okay, now we have seen the change. Okay, another thing that I want to do to make some little changes in our templates is that I want to add a div here now that we have Bootstrap with the class Jumbotron. You see, now we got it into this. And by the way, let me turn off my dark mode so you can see how could it appear on your computer. And okay, we can change something in Jumbotron, like the background color. Let me choose something like this maybe. Okay, all right.